So it's official, guys. Xiaomi is all set to launch the Xiaomi 12 Ultra with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 flagship silicon. Xiaomi at Qualcomm's event says that this chipset is like really powerful, and as always Xiaomi's latest flagship will be the first to pack this most powerful silicon in this world. The 8 Plus Gen 1 comes with 10 increase in GPU clock speed and 10 increase in the performance. Here it is 30 power efficient, so I hope this can solve the battery drain issue of 8 Gen 1. The exciting part is we now have an 18-bit ISP which can shoot at 8K HDR. That is insane. The configuration is 7 Gen AI x65 5G modem Adreno 730 GPU, the clock speed is 3.2 GHz, and yes, it is based on TSMC 4nm fabrication process. So it is powerfully SPAR efficient, and I hope this can give a tough fight to Apple's Bionic Silicon. Again, Xiaomi is using that chip in the Xiaomi 12 Ultra, and this is the real-life image of Xiaomi 12 Ultra case confirming the final camera design. In these case renders we can see the final finish, so it can be seen this device is gonna be a DSLR killer, guys. We are seeing dual periscope lens, a timer flight sensor, main super wide, and some supporting sensors. MIUI source code confirms Xiaomi's using Leica color sign search C2 ISP, which is their in-house custom silicon for image processing, and DCS says Xiaomi is joining hands with Sony for an exclusive Sony IMX989 sensor S main. So this setup makes the Xiaomi 12 Ultra on par with the Samsung S22 Ultra, and of course with the 8 Gen 1 Plus Silicon Surge C2 ISP, this no doubt is a monster. Sad part is Xiaomi is not using a second displaced viewfinder, which was something special in the Xiaomi 11 Ultra, but yeah, it was sort of useless for some and expensive tech too. So fair enough, I guess. Xiaomi is planning to launch this flagship in June-July, and it is gonna be an expensive one. You guys can expect a similar price check like the Xiaomi 11 Ultra. Make sure to like and subscribe. This all, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.